Okay, welcome once again to my tech channel, Tech World, Tech with you. So in this video, we're going to talk about the money transfer or sending your money through JSCash or using mobile JSCash application in your Android mobile phone. Before going to start the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon in order to receive the notifications for each and new uploads, new contents from our side in the notification bar of your mobile phone screen. And if you have any problem, any question, any confusion related to any video, just ask in comment. We will try to solve the issue for you by making a video about that, or simply we will try to answer a response, reply to your comment in the comment section box in order to solve the issue for you as soon as possible. So now let's start the video without wasting any of the time. So first of all, you have to download JSCash application in your Android mobile phone from Play Store and any other app store in your Android mobile phone. As you can see here that it's showing is open option. This means that I already downloaded this application. You have to download this application. Once you download the application, just go back and as you can see here. Here is the JSCash application. You just have to click on that. Once you click on that, so they will ask for the login. You just have to create account and press login. Now you can see here that this is the main homepage of my JSCash account here. Now we will learn that how we can send or transfer money, right? How we can send and transfer money to other people's account, JSCash account. Now you can see here an option that is money transfer. So you have to click on money transfer. Once you click on it, so a short menu with 6 options will appear. If we are going to transfer the money to other people, to someone other JSCash account, so you can see here the very first option to the left side is JSCash transfer. Just have to click on that. Once you click on that, so they will ask you to select a number, put a number, write a number here to which you're sending money. Remember that here you just have to put those number on which your friend have their own JSCash account. Let's say for example I'm going to go to contact and select an option that is Amir. So you will have to put your money here, that how much you're going to send money from your JSCash account to a friend. For example, for sending 2000 rupees to this friend from your JSCash account, right? So here you can send up to 50,000 rupees daily to your friend. So here you have to put what? So you have to put the amount that you're sending, then click on send rupees. Once you click on send rupees, they will show you the complete detail of the receiver account, that what is the name of the receiver and how much time it will take to receive the money in the receiver account. So this is how we can send, we can transfer money from our JSCash account using JSCash application in our Android mobile phone. So this is very easy. So first you have to create JSCash account in your Android mobile phone, install JSCash application, then enter some amount to your JSCash account. Then you will be able to transfer the amount from your JSCash account to other people, to your friend or other people. So this is how we can send money from our JSKS account to our friends and other people JSKS account. I hope you got all about sending the money, sending the payment or transferring the amount from your JSKS account to other people's JSKS account. I hope you got well all about this video. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected with us. See you in next and more interesting videos.